entire DB Public School, CDA Cuttack, all the teachers, their efforts, you don't know the entire efforts, the unseen efforts behind this event to become successful is obviously a teacher standing over there for all of you. My team Career Map, they're also here to make it successful as well. My dear university representatives, all the way from different parts of the country, they have come over here to enlighten all of you. Trust me, they will.
Today we have our career fair here, and we really enjoyed it, and we got to know a lot of things about many universities as presented by the Career Map and our beloved school.
Myself Tanmay Kumar Raut, and I study in class 10. So it was lovely experience right here. Thanks to Career Map for organizing this mega event, and I just got a clear path how to succeed in life and which way to follow for the future job that I want to do.